Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make a tasty and moist banana cake. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned and enjoy my recipe. On today's ingredients, you will need 2 cups of self-rising flour. This is a flour that contains baking powder already. But if you're going to use the normal wheat flour, make sure you add 1 tablespoon of baking powder. You will also need a half a cup of butter, which is approximately to 100 grams. You will also need 2 medium eggs, 1 cup of sugar. You will also need a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a half a cup of milk, and lastly you will need 2.5 ripe banana, which is approximately to 1 cup of ripe banana. In a medium bowl, you will add 1 cup of sugar, followed by a half a cup of butter, which is approximately to 100 grams. Then you'll take your hand mixer and mix the 2 ingredients for about 3 minutes till soft. Once your mixture is soft, you will add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a pinch of salt and continue mixing for about 1 minute. Then we're going to add the 2 eggs. Make sure you add 1 egg at a time while mixing till everything is well mixed. It took me about 2 to 3 minutes till everything is well mixed. Using a sieve, we are going to add 2 cups of self-rising flour. This is to get rid of any small particles out from the flour and of course to make your cake moist. Then you're going to take a spatula, or you can also use a wooden spoon to mix the flour. Then pour a half a cup of milk a bit by a bit while mixing till everything is well mixed. Later on, I had to use the hand mixer to make sure that everything is well mixed into a soft, smooth batter. Lastly, add 1 cup of blended ripe banana, but at this point it's better to use a spatula or a wooden spoon to mix everything well. Your batter mixture has to be soft and smooth like this, and your batter mixture is ready to be baked in the oven. Apply some butter in the baking pan to avoid the cake from sticking at the bottom, and pour the butter into the baking pan. Then you'll slightly heat the baking pan to get rid of the small bubbles and put the cake in a preheated oven and bake it at 180 degrees for 40 to 50 minutes till the cake is well baked. And after 40 to 50 minutes, my banana cake is ready, as you can see in the video. I will wait for my banana cake to cool down before removing it from the baking pan. Once it has cooled down, my banana cake is ready. Look how moist the banana cake it is and enjoy it. And my moist banana cake is ready, as you can see in the video. You can eat along with a cup of tea, coffee, or a scoop of vanilla ice cream and enjoy your banana cake. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes on how to make different types of cakes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.